Right. In this video, we are going to understand our data set because without knowing what data we have, we can't do meaningful analysis, right? So let's look at the structure of our data. So I have opened the dataset in a Excel sheet. You can open it in Excel or any other spreadsheet tool. It's a great way to explore it before we loading it into Power BI. And let's start from electric vehicle sales by state table. And let's go from the date column. This is the actual date when the data was recorded, and it's on a monthly basis. It's not like this is for 1st April. This is like the whole April month, the April month in 2021. For example, at April month starting to till the end at state Sikkim, among two wheelers the electric vehicle sold is 0 and total vehicle sold is 398. And again for April month from starting to till the end, the whole month, for state Sikkim, among four wheelers the electric vehicle sold is 0 and total vehicle sold is 361. And I hope you got it. And now you can move to the next column, state. This tells us each state in India where the data is belongs to. That's straightforward. And then vehicle category. This tells us whether a vehicle is a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. And then electric vehicles sold. This is the total number of electric vehicles sold for a specific state vehicle category and for a particular month. And total vehicles sold. This is a combination of both electric and non-electric vehicle for a specific vehicle category and state and for a particular month. Total vehicles sold means this is the combination of both electric and non-electric vehicles. This is only for electric vehicle and this is the combination of both electric and non-electric vehicles. This table is super important because it helps us calculate things like EV adoption rate, trend over time, and which states are leading in EV sales. We can also compare EV versus non-EV sales and see how popular electric vehicles are becoming. And so that's a quick breakdown of our first table. Now let's move to the second table. Now that we have understood state level sales, let's look at the second table, electric vehicle sales by makers. This one gives us different angle. Instead of focusing on where the vehicles are sold, this focus on who is selling them. This table shows us the number of electric vehicles sold by each manufacturer or brand, broken down by month and by vehicle category. And just like before, this is the date where the sales were recorded, and this is in a monthly basis. And again, this shows that helps us to understand whether a vehicle is a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler and help us to compare makers in both segments. And this is the name of a company or brand like Ola Electric, Hero Electric or Tata and etc. This tells us how many electric vehicle is sold by a particular company in that month for a specific category. So now we have covered two of our main tables, state-wise sales and maker-wise sales. You should now have a pretty good clear idea of what kind of data we are working with. In the next video, we will focus entirely on date table and we will go a little bit deeper into concepts like fiscal years, which are super important in business world.